first coat of this sealer down. Starting to look real good. And it is a solvent-based sealer, penetrating sealer. So it's not water-based. It's meant for heavy traffic. And of course, it's on a driveway. I've seen people use water-based, but this one is a solvent-based. Does have a slight sheen to it, but she likes it. So on the first coat, you see the water right there, and it is beating up. So it's working. It's doing exactly what it's supposed to do, and that's only the first coat. Shady, so I'm waiting for the sun to get right about there, and we're finna get it going. This is the sealer that we use, Clear Shield from H&C, natural look. So she wants it to look dry at all times. Good product so far. See what it says? Withstands heavy vehicular traffic. Xylene based, crystal clear, non-yellowing. So this is pretty good. Got a test drive from it. Now, if you know anything about Sherwin Williams, they'll give you a test drive on something for the first time that you use. Test drive just means you get about 50% off. Even though we are spraying outside, make sure you have your PPE. A lot of people don't like to use this while outside. I use it. Now this is the neighbor. From that dirty to that clean to that painted. Man. Driveway sealed, just went in. Driveway sealed with the first coat. Just waiting for the dew to dry off the sidewalk. Well, driveway I should say. Looking real good. House completely washed and clean. Oh, it's hot. Got this long sweatshirt on. Man. So you'll be able to tell the difference. Look at this. Not painted. Not painted. Well, stained, I should say. Stained. Went all the way down. Not stained. Stained. Not stained. Stained. The customer wanted a natural look as if the wood was just put up. So that's why we went with the bamboo color. From a distance. Stained in that bottom or the end, not stained. Ooh. After I spray, my guy comes back with a 4-inch brush. And it's a rooster brush. Some of them have 5 from Home Depot, but it's meant for fences and decks. Reason why is it's the exact same width of each panel. So I spray it on pretty thick. He comes by and works it in to the wood itself. And I am using Super Deck paint. Reason why is instead of the woodscape, she liked the color bamboo, so we went with bamboo Super Deck. All right, so it's a 4-inch deck and fence brush. Turn it a little bit. It's meant just for decks and fence because it's the exact same width. We're gonna put it against the wood. There's the wood. All right. See? Exact same width. H&C Color Top, water-based solid color concrete stain. This stain is to match the carpet that's going in there. So it's cut in now. Now I'm about to roll it. All that's cut in. Now I'm about to roll it. I would do a time lapse, but Now what I'm using to roll this is going to be a 1-inch snap, 9-inch contractor series. This is meant for super rough substrates, concrete, block, whatever it's called. Not whatever it's called, but whatever it is. Knockdown, orange peel, anything that's real rough, and that's rough. So 1-inch snap, 9-inch roller, my rooster, and put it on one of these bad boys, nice and long. Let's get it going. And when you have a new roller, make sure you use your blue tape or your frog tape, whatever you have, and roll the tape on this to get all the lint off. Already did that, but make sure you do that. If not, you're gonna have a lot of lint and trash in your paint. Almost fell. Floors like this is just throw the paint on the ground and just roll it. Instead of dipping every 5 seconds, just roll it. See? The first couple times it was rough because the roller was dry, but now I'm just flowing. Number 1. Now we have that there only because since the carpet is going in there, don't know how far out the carpet is gonna come out to, so save that for last. But this is coat number 1. Look at that. That'll dry up. That's coat number 1. Coat number 1. That thing look good. Once the carpet goes in, I'll go ahead and cut that in, but coat number 1 looks good. Finished product of the fence. Looks so natural. That's exactly what she was going for, natural. Man, oh man. stained concrete. Fence done, house done.